Dear Mummy, I want to be able to do stuff. The other children were playing football in the playground. I would like very much to play football with the other boys. I know that you would be upset if I did, but it looks really fun. I really like my teacher. She is really pretty and is very helpful. A girl from school gave me a flying saucer. They are these UFO-shaped sweets with fizzy sherbet inside, and they are very yummy. How come you never gave me fizzy sherbet UFOs? I want to have fizzy sherbet UFOs for breakfast, lunch and dinner. My teacher asked what I wanted to be when I grow up, and I now want to be a professional footballer. My teacher got watery in her eyes, and I don't know why. Why can't I be a professional footballer, Mummy? I know I'm different, but school has taught me that all people are different. There is this one girl in my class who has a funny red dot on her forehead. It looks like face paint. She is different. My hand is starting to hurt because I'm writing you this letter, Mummy. Why do they hurt? Why do I ache? Why don't you let me go out and play after school? I play with the other children at school, but not football. I want to play football. But it hurts me. Why did you make me different? You told me when I was born I was so special that I could do anything I wanted, but I can't play football. My wrist now hurts too, Mummy. There is a boy in my class, his name is Charlie, and Charlie is really good at playing football. I asked him to teach me, and he laughed. Why did he laugh, Mummy? Did he laugh because I'm different? Will I ever get better? I was talking to a boy in school. His name was George. He is older and is in grade 5. He told me that I should be aborted. What is aborted, Mummy? Will it fix me? Why can't you tell me why I'm different? I don't want to be different anymore. I want to play football. Why can't I play football? I am sorry, Mummy. I am sorry for all the questions that I am asking. I am sorry that I do walk differently. I'm sorry that I'm fragile. I'm sorry that you cry sometimes because I walk different. I am sorry that I do things you don't think I can do. I am sorry that you feel sad. I am sorry that when we walk, we move too slow. I am sorry that my bones aren't strong. Maybe I should drink more milk. I'm sorry that wine bottles and me make you sad. I'm sorry, Mummy. I'm sorry that I was born.